This is the healthiest macaroni recipe you will find on the internet today. It is comforting, loaded, and it is filled up with the right nutrients you need. Even if you don't like macaroni, you are going to fall in love with this one. So let me show you how to make this. Start by boiling a pot of water on the stove. Add some salt and a little bit of oil to the water. Pour in your elbow macaroni and stir to prevent it from clumping together. Put a lid on and bring the macaroni to a boil for about 7 minutes. While that is boiling, let's prep some chicken for this recipe. You will need 2 boneless chicken breasts. So slice the chicken breast into long strips and further cube them into bite-sized pieces. By now, the macaroni should have been ready. Just make sure not to overcook it. You just want it to be slightly tender when touched. Once that is ready, strain the macaroni and set aside. Meanwhile, place a deep pan on the stove top. Add in 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil to the pan. Now, go in with some chopped onions. Saute the onions for about 3 minutes or until fragrant. Next, add in some grated ginger, minced garlic. Also saute this for a minute. Since we are building a really nice and delicious base for this macaroni, you will also need to go in with some diced celery stalks. Saute this for a minute as well. Next, bring in the cubed chicken breasts and spread them out evenly in the pan. You will need to cook these for about 3 minutes and then try flipping the pieces over so they cook evenly. Now, season the chicken with 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon and ½ teaspoon of salt. Mix these thoroughly until well incorporated. After that, add in your diced tomatoes and some tomato paste. Mix these very well. Make sure everything is well combined with the chicken. Cook these on low flame for about 5 minutes until the tomato loses its raw flavor. Next is to bring in your colorful vegetables. So we are adding in some diced carrots, yellow bell peppers, red bell peppers, and some sliced cabbage. Just before stirring this, make sure to season this with some nutmeg. You will also need to add in some ground crayfish, red chili flakes, chicken bouillon seasoning, dried thyme, curry powder, oregano, and salt. When you're done adding all of these seasonings, give the veggies a nice stir and make sure all the seasonings are well incorporated. Next, go in with your tender macaroni. You want to carefully stir the content until the meat veggies and macaroni are well combined. And once you're satisfied with the taste of your dish, add in some chopped spring onions for a garnish. Allow this to cook for just a minute until it is well heated. And your macaroni is ready. This chicken macaroni is very delicious and satisfying. You don't want to miss out on this. You can throw in a variety of different veggies and any other meat, and you will get to enjoy this. Just go ahead and give this a try today and you will fall in love with this dish. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. You can also subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon if this is your first time. Until next time, I'd love to see you again.